Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new here, my name is Dimma Enemchukwu. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to be notified. To my returning subscribers, thank you very much. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I grilled this yummy chicken using oven. If you want to know how I got this result, sit back, relax and enjoy this video. You will definitely love it. For this recipe, I'll be using drumsticks and chicken breast. I feel that is the part that has a lot of meat. I'll also be using scotch bonnet pepper, some ginger, garlic, onions and onions. I'll be using some red bell pepper and some green bell pepper also. This is my seasoning mix. To my already washed chicken, I will introduce my red and green bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic and onions, all roughly blended. I want to still be seeing the roughness of the pepper. To the chicken, I'll be adding my suya pepper. What is grilled chicken without suya pepper? It actually gives chicken a different flavor and taste. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up and to subscribe if you've not, please. To the chicken, I'll be adding my seasoning mix, a little salt, seasoning cubes, spices. Just spice up your chicken how you want it to taste with any spices you have. If you like, you can blend all these spices together with your pepper. It can give it a different taste also. Let me know how you like spicing up your chicken. Do you like blending your spices together with your pepper, or you spice your chicken separately just like I'm doing? Let me know on the comment section. Once I'm done spicing up my chicken, I will stir and stir and stir it so that all the spices will incorporate very well into my chicken. This is me stirring it. You have to stir it. You can even use your hands. I think I used my hands as a point because the spatula was not giving me what I wanted. So you can use your hands and incorporate the spices properly into the chicken. This is what it looks like after you've properly mixed your chicken with your spices. Now it's time to marinate our chicken. You can marinate your chicken from 1 hour to 24 hours, but I don't have that patience. I'll just marinate for 2 hours. This is me putting it into the fridge for it to marinate. If you are not patient enough to marinate, that's fine, but when you marinate, all the spices incorporates properly, very well, goes into your chicken very well. I feel marinated chicken tastes differently and heavenly. So it's already 2 hours. Let's bring out our chicken. Some minutes before I brought out my chicken, I already lighted my gas so it will start heating up. In my oven rack, I'll start arranging my chicken properly so as to get it ready to go into the oven. If you've watched up to this moment, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not, and help me share out this video so that others can see this amazing recipe. Thank you. This is me trying to arrange my chicken. I think next time I have to cut my chicken in bigger chunks so that it won't be falling off. It really disturbed me. I was picking the chicken here and there. So that is one mistake you should not make when grilling your chicken. Cut it in a bigger chunk so that it will sit properly in your oven. Please do well to also go through my channel. You will see some amazing videos and recipes you will love there. Just relax and enjoy it, please. So this is it. After I've properly arranged it in my oven rack, it is time for it to go inside the oven. I'm going to allow my chicken to grill for like 40 minutes, but in between the time, I'll be flipping it side by side. Once one side turns to golden brown, I'll flip to the other side for it to grill too. I wanted to have a different taste of chicken, so I decided to grill my chicken. I was already tired of fried chicken. This is actually the first time I'm making homemade grilled chicken. All the while we used to have it outside. Guys, this came out wonderful. I was surprised too. Remember, you have to keep an eye on it so it won't get burnt. You will not like it at all when it gets burnt. Guys, my chicken is ready. I mean, look at this. I didn't even believe I was the one who made this yummy chicken. This is actually my first time. So if you've not tried this at home, please do try it. Stop eating chicken outside and start doing it at home yourself. If you noticed, I didn't use vegetable oil for my chicken. Yes, at a point the chicken started releasing oil on its own. It's still showing on the body itself. Look at the chicken. Isn't this looking delicious and inviting? If you've watched to this moment, please give this video a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Let's go have some grilled chicken. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.